Not bad for a bunch of jump jocks.
Not
7,
bad.
crippler, what? Okay guys, so we filmed this super sick run. It was a super long clip and for some reason none of the audio got recorded. But in this clip, I introed the video. We talked about Tomie and Benton, and so I'm gonna do a quick voiceover and here we go. So Tommy's charging these insane jumps, the wind's going crazy, and I was freaking out that Tomie was snowboarding in a tornado. Dude stomped the jump in the middle of a tornado. I went down, high-fived him. I was like, dude, you're in a tornado. That was so insane. He goes, I was in a tornado, and that was insane-o. No, he didn't say that. Anyways, then we went down the run, and Benton had the cleanest rail line I've ever seen our boy have. So we came out of the park. I dabbed him up, and I was like, Benton, you're a god. And then the video continued, and sorry, this was the only clip I didn't have audio in.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make.
Don't worry boys, I got him.
Did you land on a freaking tree?
No, I sent it over it. I used my eyes.
Wait, did you see because you have outdoor masters?
Oh yeah, dude. Best goggles in the game.
Oh, let's go.
But no joke, yeah, these goggles are sick, guys. $40 in the description. Right, you guys want to hear a sticker shout out?
We're taking selfies.
All right, guys, so this is sick sticker shout out. We got Ryan Perserno with the Gold Evolution sticker on his board. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, you want an Evolution sticker? They're all linked in the description, as well as the warmest merch in the game. I'm still waiting on my face mask. We got face masks now, beanies, hoodies, hats, t-shirts, so much stuff. Check out the merch store, as well as snag a sticker, guys. All linked in the description. Now let's keep sending this. No more tree landing on stuff. Benton just was so ready to send it. He was gone for a week, and then I couldn't ride with him like 2 days now. He's just like, oh. Whoa! I mean, I've never really been a mogul gapper. So now let's get it.
LOL, those got difficult, man. The wind is like kind of gnarly. We're out here in Bracket Fridge. We gotta stay warm, boys. Are you warm?
I'm toasty, except for my face.
You look cold.
My face is a little cold.
Look at this jacket. It's sick though.
Dude, jacket
Oh, he's got the puff.
underneath the jacket.
Dude, the puff on puff on puff, but we don't smoke. Jonathan,
Oh, he's taking.
he got lost, so we're just waiting for him. Oh, Dad's coming quick. Shh.
The boys wanted to hit the super pipe because they're super. How should I film it? Should I film everyone's first hit and then catch up? Dude, they're so sick, and I was also terrified for Benton on that first air. Not bad for a bunch of jump jocks.
Not
7,
bad.
crippler, what?
That first there.
Oh. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. We're on the 2-seater. We had a sick day today, even though it was a challenging day. Like Bluebird, so sick. Windy as all get up. Tomie snowboarded a tornado today, which I never thought was possible. So sick. And yeah, we're gonna take 4 o'clock down. 4 o'clock is a green run, so we're gonna be very careful.
Like extra careful.
Like super careful.
Super careful. So we're actually gonna put this in 100,000,000 times faster, just so that like it looks normal.
Did you guys crush 4 o'clock? What a sick day.
That's all she wrote, boys.
All right, guys, not a bad session for a late day session. We're all early morning riders, but just so happens today all of us could come out later in the day, so we did, and it was still sick. Our boy Benton got a little broke off. His neck hurts. His adrenaline's wearing off, so he's gonna go chill now. But we'll keep it short and sweet, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, subscribe to our channel. We make daily videos. We want to help you become the best snowboarder possible, as well as show you guys our progression, because every day we come out, we try to learn something new, and it's super sick to see. And just so if any of you guys are missing powder, I went to Steamboat yesterday and had the sickest, deepest, thigh deep powder of my life. Steep and deep powder, Steamboat. Go check it out. That video is right here. If you like these daily videos and you want to support the dream, especially we have so many trips coming up: Vermont, Tahoe, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Telluride, Park City, Utah, and this one's up in the air still, is Jackson Hole. If you want to support any of those trips, the Patreon page is the best way to do it. It's how I get to do these daily snowboard videos. So check out the Patreon page. For every donation, whether it's $1, $5, $10 million, I get to give back to you guys. So check out the Patreon page, guys. I should have put sunblock on is what I'm seeing. Windburn and a little bit of sun. Woo. And with that, guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody. No cliffhanger, yes I so do banger. I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the